Hi my angels, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today is going to be all about decor books. I have gotten asked so many times about my decor books and all of my videos, where am I getting my books, you know, so I came today to give you all the juices and all the secrets. Okay, so I have a variety of books I'm going to share with you, all the way from high end to low end, like cheap, inexpensive DIY books, okay? So if you just keep watching, I'm pretty sure I have something for you. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I do share a lot of decor and DIY projects, as well as fashion and beauty. If any of that interests you, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along and join the family. And don't forget to click that little notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, so you're gonna help me? You're gonna help me with this video today? All right. Okay, so Grace has decided to help us. All right, so we're gonna start with the high-end books first. So all of my high-end books that you guys have seen throughout my home, I'm gonna share with you. So like I have this Chanel book. This one is actually paper Chanel. It's the paper copy. You leaving me? Okay, I'm on my own now. Anyway, but I have this one, the Chanel. I have this Chanel, which is the small book. It's a small hardback book, which I have this one in my closet. I have, I have this DECOR book, which is heavy, guys. Okay, so this is thick and it's pretty heavy. It's in the color gray. And the pictures, like, look at this. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see it. But it's really heavy, super heavy book. I also got this big Chanel book, which is really big. And this is in my dining room. I've showed you guys this before. And then I have one more high-end book, and oh god, oh, it's this one. Can you see it? It's the Tom Ford. This book is huge. Like, it's really big, and honestly, like, okay, so it's in a box. Okay, so the book comes out of the box. Can you see it? Yeah. This is really big. And okay, got it out the box, and then like inside this, hit myself in the face. That is funny. Okay, just make sure you get makeup on. But anyway, this has lots of fashion pictures, and oh, that's pretty. Anyway, but they're not really for reading. They are really for decor. I think that's all of my super high-end books. All of my high-end books you can find on Amazon. I actually have them in my Amazon store if you guys want to check that out. It's in my description box. So if you click the little arrow, it's called my Amazon store. I have everything that's actually in my house in my store. So if you're curious to which ones I have, be sure to check that out. And here's the link as well if you want to just, you know, write it down and save it for later. But yeah, so you can get the high-end books for like not as expensive as you would pay like in the store, or you know, from the designer, a lot cheaper on Amazon. So if you're looking for high-end, find them there. Okay, moving on. If high-end's not really your thing, don't worry, but let me show you the ones I got like at discount stores and other places for very inexpensive, cheaper than the luxury books, but still really nice books. Okay, so I got this Kate Spade book, All in Good Taste. It's really nice. It's pink. This goes great in my office. So, I mean, you know, again, you can look through them, but it's really more for decor again. But it's so cute. I got this from Home Goods, and I think it was like $14. And I also have another Kate Spade book. I got this bigger. This is really big Kate Spade book. It's black, and then the inside here, it's like pink tinted. It matches the dots, which is so cool. It's like rose gold. Like, it's so cute. And then the inside of this one has like, I don't know if you can tell, but it has like lots of just quotes and such. It's really cute though. Lots of quotes and pictures, and but like here, can you see this? Like, there's a lot of pages like this that just has a quote. She leaves a little sparkle everywhere she goes. I've used that a lot. And this book came from Home Goods as well. And then I also got this one from Home Goods. And like, it's really cute. This goes in my living room. It's a really cute book, Elements of Style. And it just has like pictures of like interiors, which is really nice. So if you need inspiration for interior design, you know, a book like this would be great to look through. It also came from Home Goods. So, and they range between, I think, like $15 and $25. So it really just depends. I also picked up this, which is a journal in marble, and the size of it is in rose gold. This is for my office. And I got this from Charm & Charlie's, and it was like $12, but I actually had a coupon too, so I think I got it for maybe like $7 or $8. It was, you know, cheaper, but, and it's just an empty journal. So you can write in if you want, but I'm not, because it's like, again, it's for decor purposes to match my rose gold and marble office. And then another one from my office I got was this one. This is another journal. It's pink leather, and you know, it's just a journal for writing in, but it's really cute because, again, it matches my office decor, and I got this for $5 at Ross. So 2 more decor book pieces I got were, I found were these. Like they're, okay, so technically this is designed like a decor book. It's marble and pink. Here's the catch though, these technically aren't really books. These are storage boxes that are designed in the shape of a book. So it's multifunctional decor book because it's designed to be like this. It's designed to look like books, decor books, but they're also functional. You can also store things in there, hide things in there, whatever the case may be. And I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. So, and they were having 50% off. So yeah, you could definitely find some inexpensive books that are really nice from places like Ross and Home Goods and Hobby Lobby and other places. So now let's move on to the DIY books. So I don't think you can get cheaper than this. And that is getting books from Dollar Tree and Goodwill. Okay, so you can paint books. You can definitely paint books. I'm not gonna be painting books today, but just know that you can. Today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to DIY books to add to your decor. It is so easy. Oh my God, it's so easy. And these, okay, for example, I'm gonna show you these I got from Dollar Tree. I got these books from Dollar Tree, okay? So here's the catch. The only catch to DIYing this is taking the paper off, okay? Oh, yeah, just take the paper right on off. That's all the work you gotta do yourself. That's it. That's it. And so, yeah, I mean, honestly, super easy, super simple. And what you want to do though while you're in the store is look at the inside cover color of the book. Take it off while you're in the store and just look at it and say, hey, okay, will this match? So I did that for all of these books. And I put these books in my piano room. I put them in my family room. And that's the only work you have to do, is take the paper off. And you know, while you're in the store, just look at the hardcovers and see, will it match your color theme? And if it does, buy the book for $1. And you can do the same thing with Goodwill. Go there, look at the hardcover books, look at it, see if the color will match. And so guys, I kid you not, these 2 books I have in my family room sitting just like this. I will show you a picture of how it looks. But yeah, perfect. Perfect. And the same with my piano room. I needed some black books, so I got both of these, and I put it with this one. And you can't tell that they're cheap books. I mean, it blends right in, like, you know. So another book I got from Dollar Tree was this one, and I didn't have to do any work for this one. I just got it because of the color. It was pink, and I was like, hey, that'll look good in my office. So yeah, no work at all. I mean, yeah. So I hope that gives you some super insight to how you can decorate with books and find you some decor books, whether you're looking for cheap and inexpensive books or you're looking for high-end books. I try to incorporate everything that I have in my home. So yeah, I hope that helps you. If you guys liked this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment below telling me which type of books you like. Do you like high-end or do you like cheap and expensive books? Because I think it really just depends on the room and the thing that you're going for. But let me know in the comments. As well as, don't forget, I also have another recent DIY video with some super easy functional DIY projects. So be sure to head over there to that video and check that out.